Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you people are doing well. This is Ananta with you, and today I am going to explain the part 14 of CSWIP technology question. So you please go through each part of the CSWIP 3.1 question. Then you can get a clear concept. And I am sure what question in my channel, if you learn, then definitely you can crack the CSWIP. There are lots of questions in my channel, so you go through one by one. And the main thing is the channel, you can get explanation of each question. That is the main thing, you are getting explanation. So you have a confident for this exam. So let's start. The first question is weldments in carbon manganese steel made using a hair that is specified heat input meso means कार्बन मैंगनीज स्टील का एक वेल्डमेंट है उसमें हीट इनपुट जो रिक्वायरमेंट है उससे ज्यादा हीट इनपुट उसमें दिया हुआ है सो व्हाट कैन सो व्हाट विल हैपन हायर इंटीग्रिटी second is lower distortion, third is lower toughness, D is the higher hardness. So higher integrity, lower distortion, lower toughness and higher hardness. So we need to choose the best option. So we need to go explanation. What is the effect of heat input? So you should know the effect of heat input. If you give the less heat input, what will happen? What if you give the more heat input, what will happen? ज्यादा हीट इनपुट देने से क्या होगा कम हीट इनपुट आने से क्या होगा so heat input that is too high either so excessive voltage so why it is high heat input high is depends in excessive voltage excessive amperage और slow table speed अब सोचिए आप वेल्डिंग कर रहे हैं आप वोल्टेज ज्यादा हो गया तो डेफिनेटली आपका हीट इनपुट ज्यादा हो जाएगा आपका एम्पियरेज ज्यादा मींस करंट ज्यादा डेफिनेटली हीट इनपुट ज्यादा हो जाएगा और स्लो टेबल स्पीड मींस ट्रैवल स्पीड इज नॉट एज पर द डब्ल्यूपीएस के हिसाब से ट्रैवल स्पीड नहीं है डेफिनेटली द हीट इनपुट ज्यादा हो जाएगा बिकॉज द करंट इज गोइंग मोर सो कैन स्लो योर कूलिंग रेट सो कैन स्लो योर कूलिंग रेट हीट इनपुट हाई होने से क्या होगा कूलिंग रेट स्लो हो जाएगा सो व्हाट विल हैपन रिजल्टिंग एक्सेसिव ब्रेन ग्रोथ this excessive brain growth shows up the change of mechanical property so excessive brain growth हो जाएगा तो आपका mechanical property में change हो जाएगा so mainly a decrease of the material cold weather toughness so what will happen the toughness it can be problem there will be lower toughness will be there means you are doing the more heat input because of excessive voltage maybe excessive amperage or slow table speed आपका पास आपका हीट इनपुट ज्यादा हो गया वेल्डिंग का तो एक्सेसिव वोल्टेज एक्सेसिव एम्पेरेज या स्लो टेबल स्पीड का वजह से सो उसके लिए आपका हो जाएगा क्या एक्सेसिव ब्रेन ग्रोथ हो जाएगा ब्रेन ग्रोथ होने से क्या होगा आपका मैकेनिकल प्रॉपर्टी में चेंजेस आएगा तो वो चेंजेस क्या है लोअर द टफनेस you see high heat input means slow cooling will be slow so low toughness will be generated means the grain growth reduction in yield strength so the correct answer will be lower toughness so lower toughness correct answer hai so question number 1 you understand the option C will be the correct answer question number 2 a MMA electrode that is classified as the E6013 is a so आप देखा एक MMA electrode है उसमें classify उसमें mention किया हुआ है E6013 so what is this basic type electrode, cellulosic type electrode, rutile type electrode, and the thick coated iron powder. So there are 4 types of electrode here mentioned: basic, cellulosic, rutile, and thick coated. कौन सा the correct answer? Which one is the correct? A, B, C, or D? Just give one example here. You see MMA welding consumable types of electrode. Cellulosic. You can see AWS F5.1 this is the classification, if you go AWS, you can say SFA also. If you go SFA 5.1 also, you can say SFA 5.1. So 6010, 6011, that is called cellulosic. Rutile 6012 or 6013. It is maybe 70, no problem. 6012, 6013. So rutile. So where it is mentioned is 6013. Definitely it will go to the rutile. Rutile is the correct answer. So option C. So there was option C, means option C correct answer. So you understand cellulosic rutile. A code gives a acceptance standard of excess weld metal H as less than equal to 1 mm plus 0.1 B maximum 5 mm, where B is the width of weld cap. For which of the following situation is the excess weld metal is acceptable? So you understand, a कोड एक्सेप्टेंस स्टैंडर्ड दिया हुआ है, एक्सेस वेल्ड मेटल है H should be less than equal to 1 mm plus 0.1 B maximum, but आप उधर में B है width of the weld cap. So let's go B15 H equal to 3.0, B22 H equal to 3.0, C is option C is B equal to 28 H 4.0, option D is B equal to 40 H equal to 5.4. So we'll go now directly B. You see B, this is the B. So what is B? B is the width of the weld cap. So this is the width of the weld cap, B. And H, excess weld metal. This is called, you see here, this is H, excess weld metal. Here, from here to here, this is excess weld metal. If you go from B equal to 22 minus H equal to 3.2 less than 3.0, so B is higher. So you understand here the formula is H is less than equal to 1 mm plus, means this is 1 mm plus 0.1 B. So B is the weld, B is the width of the weld. So B, if it is 22, then what will happen? 22 into B, 0.1 B means 2.2, 2.2 plus 1, that is coming 3.2. So the correct answer will be B22H 3.0. So correct answer is B22 3.0. If you go 15, then it will not go the correct one. B15, it is not coming the H 3.0. So let's see 15 into 0.1, 1.5 plus 1, that is coming 2.5. So it is not the correct one. The correct one is B22 H 3.0. So you understand the option B is the correct one. The answer is B. Question number 4. A fillet weld design throat thickness of 8 mm. What is the minimum leg length that is required? So एक डिजाइन थ्रोट थिकनेस फिलेट वेल्ड का 8 mm है. So मिनिमम लेग लेंथ कितना होना चाहिए? A 5.6, B 11.2, C 11.8, and D is it cannot be determined. What information given? So definitely it will not the answer. We need to check A, B, C, which one is correct. So we'll go the formula. A equal to 0.7 Z equal to 1.4 A. So where weld throat is A, means A is weld throat, and Z equal to leg length is Z. So given A equal to 8 mm, so A means the fillet weld, this is mentioned 8 mm. So Z equal to, the formula is 1.4 into 8, so that is coming 11.2 mm. So Z is 1.4 into 8, that is coming 11.2 mm. So you understand the correct answer will be 11.2. So B. तो आपको समझ में आ गया, एक फिलेट वेल्ड का थिकनेस है 8 mm, थ्रोट थिकनेस 8 mm. सो कितना लेग लेंथ होना चाहिए मिनिमम? सो आपका डेफिनेटली आपको मालूम होना चाहिए द फॉर्मूला इज Z इक्वल टू 1.4 into लेग लेंथ. So Z is the throat thickness, Z is the, here you can see Z is the leg length, sorry, and weld throat is 8. So definitely 1.4 into 8. That is coming, Z is 111.2. So correct answer will be option B. Question number 5. Which of the following alloying element is used to improve the toughness of the steel? तो कौन सा एलोइंग एलिमेंट है आप यूज करने से, आप स्टील में यूज करने से स्टील का टफनेस इंप्रूव होगा? क्रोमियम, मैंगनीज, सल्फर, कार्बन. Which one is the correct? So we'll go the explanation. Does manganese increase the hardness in steel? Yes, the effect of manganese is improving the mechanical properties of the steel depends on of its carbon content. So manganese is improving the mechanical properties of the steel, but it depends the carbon. Carbon कितना है उसका ऊपर में manganese improve कर सकता है mechanical property. So manganese also reduces the critical cooling rate during hardening, meaning it increases the hardenability of the steel, means it affects the hardenability higher than the other alloying elements. So hardenability it also increases, means manganese also increases the hardenability. So this would be the correct one. Option B means answer option B. Question number 6. A typical temperature for stress relieving carbon manganese steel weldment is. So कितना temperature है typical stress relieving carbon manganese steel का? Steel का weldment 200 degree, 600 degree, 800 degree and 1000 degree centigrade. Which one is the correct? 200 degree centigrade, 600 degree, 800 degree centigrade, 1000 degree centigrade. Let's see. Temperature comprises heating the steel to a temperature below the lower critical temperature. So tempering comprises heating the steel of temperature below the lower critical temperature. So what is that temperature? This temperature being affected by any alloying element, means इस temperature को ऊपर में जाएगा तो आपका alloying element में change हो सकता है. So we have to use always the lower critical temperature. So that have been added to the steel so that carbon manganese steel the temperature is around 650 degrees centigrade. So the correct answer will be here 600 is mentioned. So 650 degree actually the carbon manganese steel का temperature है, stress relieving temperature. From the option है इधर में 200 degree, 600 degree, 800 degree and 1000 degree. So the nearest best option is 600 degree centigrade. The correct answer is option B. Question number 7. क्या बोल रहे हैं? Which type of submerged arc flask can be described as flaky and sharp? So कौन सा सबमर्ज आर्क फ्लास्क जो उसको डेजिग्नेट डिस्क्राइब करता है फल्की एंड शार्प? लेट्स सी. एग्लोमेटेड, फ्यूज्ड, बेसिक, न्यूट्रल. व्हिच वन इज द करेक्ट वन? लेट्स सी. Explanation. Flaxes may be categorized in two ways, by the method of manufacture or by its activity. So flaxes we can categorize in two ways. One is for method of manufacture, another by its activity. Manufacture means fused or agglomerated and activity means neutral active alloys. Within this broad grouping, these flags may be classified further by their constituents: silica, magnesium oxide, calcium oxide. So we see fused flags, it is flaky appearance. You see here, lower weld quality, low moisture intake, low dust tendency, good recycling, very smooth profile. So correct answer is the, you see here, fused flask, that is flaky and sharp. And agglomerated, it is not granulated appearance, high weld quality, that is granulated appearance, not flaky. So the you it mention here the flaky and sharp. Flaky and sharp mention किया है तो आपका हो जाएगा the correct answer the fused. Fused is the correct answer. So option B correct answer है. Question number 8. The large diameter of pipe with a wall thickness of 10 mm is to be used for cross-country pipeline. Which electrode type could be used to combine high welding speed and deep penetration? आप एक wall thickness 10 mm wall thickness पाइप का आप वेल्डिंग करने जा रहे हो क्रॉस कंट्री पाइपलाइन के लिए. सो आप ऐसे इलेक्ट्रोड ढूंढ रहे हो जिसमें हाई वेल्डिंग स्पीड एंड डीप पेनिट्रेशन देगा. सो लेट्स सी. बेसिक कवर्ड इलेक्ट्रोड, सेलुलोजिक इलेक्ट्रोड, रूटाइल इलेक्ट्रोड एंड आयरन पाउडर लोडेड. So the explanation is like this way. You should know first vertical down versus vertical up welding. Vertical down welding with cellulosic electrode where we used is normally done with high current and high travel speed. तो वर्टिकल डाउन जो वेल्डिंग है वो सेलुलोजिक इलेक्ट्रोड से होता है इस नॉर्मली हाई करंट एंड हाई ट्रैवल स्पीड चाहिए सेलुलोजिक इलेक्ट्रोड have a thin coating contain large amount of organic cellulose is there when the electrode is burned the coating forms the protective gas coating of the molten metal so you understand now the electrode using the cellulosic electrode vertical down now this method of welding is very fast and economical and we are used most cross country pipeline are welded with the progression vertical downward. You understand? Most of the pipeline we are using this cellulose cover the vertical downward welding. Impact toughness properties which are very good may be made with the modern cellulosic electrode. So definitely the correct answer will be the option B. You understand now the reason. So you understand also you can read here it is clearly explained. Cellulosic electrode composition are only available for welding low carbon non-alloy steel although nickel content may be made to improve notch toughness. And cellulosic electrode contain high proportion of cellulosic in the coating and are characteristic by deeply penetrating arc and the rapid burn-off rating gives high welding speed. So understand the cellulosic electrode the correct answer. That is called also stovepipe welding technique. Question number 9. Weldments in carbon manganese steel made by low heat input. So you see, अब फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देगा इसमें वेल्डमेंट्स है कार्बन मैंगनीज स्टील का बट उसमें हाई हीट इनपुट था तो हाई हीट इनपुट से क्या होगा लो टफनेस होगा अभी लो हीट इनपुट है व्हाट विल हैपन greater ductility higher distortion higher dilution higher hardness so let's see means it can low heat input always happen you see here the low heat input what will happen the cooling rate will be you see rapid cooling rate means cooling rate will be very high if you see the low heat input is there the cooling rate will be very high means fast cooling means there is the mutton size structure will be generated susceptible microstructure with poor toughness will be generated. In the same case, very low heat input and simple is low heat input, the faster cooling rate, that is the higher hardness. So poor toughness, it will happen the faster cooling rate and the higher hardness. So higher hardness is the correct answer. Simply, अब low heat input है उसमें तो फास्ट कूलिंग हो जाएगा फास्ट कूलिंग होगा तो आपका हार्डनेस इंक्रीज हो जाएगा हाइड्रोजन इंटरप्टमेंट विल बी देयर lack of fusion will be generated so the higher hardness is the correct answer option D. Question number 10 when measuring arc voltage where should be measuring instrument be connected let's see across the आप जब आर्क वोल्टेज मेजर कर रहे हो कहां पे आपका इंस्ट्रूमेंट लगाना है और चेक करना है across the terminal of power source, across the arc as near as practical to the arc, across the power source positive terminal and the earth cable, and lastly it does not matter anywhere in the circuit. It is not like that. It is a matter you can get the correct voltage measurement. You can see here arc is here generating. Arc is here generating. So the correct answer will be across the arc as near as practical to the arc. So across the arc and as near as practical to the arc is here. So this will be the measurement area. You have to measure here the voltage. You understand here? Across the arc and this is the as near as the arc. So this is the voltage measurement. So correct answer will be option B. Question number 11. A drawing with symbol with BSEN 22553 will show a 5 mm leg fillet Y. So you see a drawing in as per BSEN 22553 and उसमें देखा 5 mm का leg fillet दिया हुआ है. A drawing with symbol. So how it will be mentioned? 5 mm leg fillet A5, T5, Z5 and 5Z. Which one is the correct answer? Which one is the correct answer as per BSEN 22553? Let's see. If you see A4 means the aware 4 mm design throat. A4 means. S6 means 6 mm actual throat. And the last one is Z6. This is the fillet, 6 mm leg. So understand the leg length. We understand the leg length, Z6. So here it is 5 mm mentioned. So it will be Z5. So option C is the correct answer. So you understand now 1 to 11 question. Why I am not getting too many questions here? In that if you give so many questions, then it will be very long videos. So this is not the actual attention like this way. So you understand the all 11 question this with explanation. This is the most important. So if you still people not subscribe my channel, subscribe to get the more videos like this. Thanks for watching and subscribe. Like if you see my channel, what is the channel name? You can go there and you can get the lots of videos are there. Not only the regarding question and answer, you can get regarding welding, NDT, so many radiography types of questions. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to get the regular video. Thanks a lot. Take care and see you soon in next video. And this is very important. Every Tuesday and Friday I am uploading the videos in 5 to 7 p.m. So let's be tuned on that time. Thanks a lot.